System errors causing the Qt5WebEngine.dll crashes in Qt Framework? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we begin the walkthrough for Qt5WebEngine, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Qt5WebEngine, the Qt5WebEngine wrapper. It provides unmanaged routines for integrating the Chromium rendering engine, facilitating the localized web content manifest for application data links. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This issue indicates a problem within the Qt Framework installation. Reinstall the latest version of Qt Framework from the official site to restore Qt5WebEngine.dll safely. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Qt5WebEngine file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Qt5WebEngine.dll, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Qt5WebEngine. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Qt5WebEngine workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.